Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void. Let's now talk about the metro atom box, also could be known as the metronome. In music, the metronome is known as a time mark tool in milliseconds. In music software, it is a device used by musicians that marks time at a selected rate by giving a regular tick. Lower the number, the faster the metronome. Higher the number, the slower the metronome. So just remember, low means fast, high means slow. When I activate the metro by turning on the toggle, pay attention and notice the speeds. Using the bang atom box allows us to see the speed of the metronome, the regular tick. It blinks at different speeds depending on the number used in the metro. Another way to write bang is using messages like 1 or 0, 1 meaning to start and 0 meaning to stop. Or we could write a message saying bang or stop, which I think is very self-explanatory. Bang, which means to start the metro, and stop means to stop the metro. As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!